Hey guys, it's I Know Cards back with another video, guys, for y'all today. So today it's basically gonna be a supply run that I did, and I got and a pack of cards that I will be opening with y'all. So first I'll show you guys the supply run. I got these labels for my binders. Yeah, they have little sleeves that stick on the end of your binder, and you slip a piece of paper in there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then I got Dallas Cowboy soap thing, ooh, washing my hands. And I got Cowboy Cup, yeah, cool stuff, yeah. And then I got Cowboy Trash Can. This is probably what I'm gonna put my card package in it. So first time I'll use this, yeah. Alright. And then I also got some picture frames. I got 4 of these, 4 8x10s. And I'm going to put, I got 4 of these that are 8x10s that are signed. And I'm going to hang them up on my wall. All Cowboy players. So yeah, I got that. And so now, today I got for you 2014 Topps Football Trading Cards Jumbo Pack. That's pretty cool right there. That's pretty cool, right? Yeah. Put that in the comments. Pretty cool. Yeah, so I got this. Yeah, I got this at Walmart. It's $4. Jumbo Pack. The odds aren't very good on the back, but I'm hoping for some Odells. I'm gonna try and start a PC. But since he's so popular, the cards are going to be really expensive and really hard to get. So I might not even have a chance to even get those. So let's break it. Oh, snap. Okay, good. So, yeah. Alright, first up on the top, you got Anquan Bolden. Next one, you got Janoris Jenkins. Antonia Betha, Jermaine Gresham, Wesley Woodyard, Tom Holly, Ed Reed, Rob Gronkowski, the Gronk, Buffalo Bills team card, San Francisco 49ers team card, Andrew Luck, Stephen Ridley, nice Demarius Thomas fantasy strategies card. That's cool, Demarius Thomas. Ooh, this is gonna be my first Jace Amaro tight end pink. This should be numbered. It's numbered 400 out of 499. That's really cool. It's breast cancer awareness one. Rookie card. Yeah, that's really cool. Numbered. Gonna put that in my numbered set. And then Pierre Thomas card. And you got Denarius Moore. Aaron Donald rookie card. Jake Matthews rookie card. Martavis Bryant rookie card. That one's pretty good. AJ McCarron rookie card. That's also pretty good. So we got that cool Jace Amaro. Jace Amaro. That's his name. And let's get the next one open. I'm hoping for some Odells. Let's hope for some Odells in this. Right. Justin Blackman. And this is Julian Edelman. The lighting is pretty bad, so you can't see the names. Sebastian Janikowski. Josh Gordon. EJ Manuel. Shane Vereen. Matt McGlowan. I haven't got a Cowboy card yet. Alfred Morris. Alterarian Werner. Sorry if I pronounce these names. Ooh, this is nice. Patrick Peterson Unleashed. Greatness. Ooh, what was that? Something just fell. That was pretty cool. I got a Matthew Stafford mini card. Compare. And next is a Calvin Johnson 1,000 Yard Club. That's nice. And then Daniel Thomas. Cody Latimer, rookie card. Charles Sims, rookie card. Zach Mettenberger, rookie card. Decrease Denard, rookie card. So yeah, not a whole lot in that pack, but, you know. I guess it's okay. Not the best pack opening, it's not the worst. And now I gotta use my Cowboys trash can. Make it rain. Let's do it again. Put this in slow-mo. Make it rain. That was really fast. Make it rain. Make it rain. Make it rain. Make it rain by I Know Cards. Make it rain by I Know Cards. See you guys next time. Oh, and look out for my video tomorrow. I'm gonna be going to Nick's tomorrow with a buddy of mine from school, and you'll see him tomorrow. So yeah, look for my next video tomorrow. Cowboy trash can. Woohoo! Let's go. Go Cowboys. This is I Know Cards. Comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. And yeah, so see you guys next time.